My name is Sabella and I play the violin and I've played it since grade 3.
My name is Harry and I play violin. I've been playing violin since grade 3, so that has been like 2 years so far.
Hi, my name is Tiffany and I play the violin. What I really like about it is how it sounds.
My name is Josh and I play the viola. I like the viola because it's not too high and it's not too low.
I like playing the violin because it's higher, so it's different between the cellos, the double bass and the viola.
My name is Prableen. My name is Grace. And we play the cello.
My name is Cameron and I've been playing the cello for 2 years at Calibre.
My name is Max. The instrument that I play is the cello. I've been playing it for 3 years now, and I started when I was in grade 3 at Callumvale.
I like playing violin, how it can train your ears and it can help you in the future.
What I like about playing the cello is that you don't always have to play the lead part in the songs. You're the background music that makes everything come together.
It's like really nice that it has a lovely low sound. Yeah.
I have learnt different types of pieces and also how to play violin in the public.
I've learnt some new techniques like double stops.
I've learnt that there's many different ways to make different sounds other than just in one way.
And how to express better sound.
I've learned to play with different styles, I guess, and to play with other people that I haven't played with before.
I have learnt like different types of things, like how to play on the cello.
Me too. There's and I've learned what kind of what you can do and like some effects.
My favourite piece of music is probably Summertime Swing.
I like classic SINFONIA.
My favourite piece of music is probably Silver Forest so far. Even though it's a hard piece with quite a few hard bits, it still sounds really nice when it ties in together with all the violins and the orchestra.
Best thing about being at Karawatha is learning to play the violin along with a lot more people than at school, just with our group of instrumental kids.
When you're with the orchestra with all the people, it sounds really good when all the bits, like where the rests are, and it all ties in.
The best part about Karawatha that I've found so far is repeating pop culture songs into strings music.
It's really nice that you get to hear a lot of people playing with you, and it's really nice making new friends.
I think the best thing at being Karawatha is being able to play with different schools and students.
I like how we get to play, like we get to do it all together.
It makes me feel more confident, especially when I'm playing with a group, so I don't feel like I'm alone while playing violin.
Karawatha!
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 Karawatha!